Hello and welcome to today's video where I will show you step by step how to delete recent searches on Google Maps. So let's get started. First, find and open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Once you're in Google Maps, tap your profile picture or initial in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap on your data in Maps. Under the Web and App Activities section, tap on See and Delete Activity. Here you can delete your recent searches. To delete individual items, tap on the X next to the entries you want to remove. If you want to delete more items, tap on Delete. A drop-down list will appear where you can choose to delete for today, a custom range, or all time. Select the appropriate option for how long you want to delete. And that's it! You have successfully deleted your recent searches on Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.